Hello and welcome to Allen Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to record on your MacBook. Okay, so I'm having to do this a little bit different way, so the audio quality might not be my usual, but I'm using a different way of recording the screen. So the tool we're going to be using today is QuickTime, and generally it's on every single MacBook that you're going to come across, iMac, Mac Mini, anything like that. So really this applies to just about any Mac. So we're actually going to come down here, and we're going to look for the Q. Now if for some reason you don't have this, once again like always, we can go up here to the spyglass, well, spotlight, and search for QuickTime Player. And if you needed to, you would take that and drag it down to your bar because you're probably going to be using this a lot. So we're going to open QuickTime. Now up here you notice nothing happened, but we're going to make a new screen recording. And how we do this is we go File, New Screen Recording. Now you see here, you see the bars moving. That is my microphone being picked up. And you can turn that on and off if you wish by clicking the little round drop box here. And I can say none, and as you can see, it stops moving. But I'm going to keep using that. And the slider down here, it's not what you would think. You would think this would be the sound on your desktop. It's not. It's actually if you can hear yourself through your headphones or your speakers. So if you turn this up, you'd be able to hear yourself a little bit. I like to keep that off because I don't like hearing my own voice when I'm recording. So to start a screen recording, you would click here. And you see this comes down. You can drag an area. So like say I wanted to record just around the Allen Tech symbol. I'd take and I would drag to the end of the Allen Tech symbol. But I'm actually going to do full screen here. So I'm just going to click anywhere. And now you can see this little stop button up here. That is actually tells you that you're recording. So whenever you're done recording, you've recorded everything that you wanted to, you can click the stop and it will bring up this window, and this is a preview window for what you recorded. And you should be able to hear sound and everything as you would normally. So now we need to save our video. So the way we do that is we go up here to File. I prefer to use the export tool. That way I can choose the resolution that I want it to be at. So the resolution I would normally choose is 1080. 720 is nice for a smaller size. I would try to stay away from 480 just because most screens are either 720 or 1080 now. And 480 just doesn't look that good, I'm afraid, on some of those screens. So we're going to do 1080 this time. And we'll just do a test video. And we're going to save that to desktop for simplicity's sake. So it'll come up, and you can see this little export. The longer your video is, the longer this will take because the computer is actually turning this into a video. It's taking it from this raw format here and turning it into a .move. So now if we exit this, and see, this is if you want to save this raw format right here. You might, and it's the same steps, just clicking save and going forward. Like I said, I prefer to export it so it's already ready to be edited. So I'm just going to click delete right now. And as you can see right here, our test movie ready to go, either to be uploaded somewhere or to be sent to iMovie or some other editor to be edited. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope this video was useful. If it was, feel free to give it a like. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye-bye.